to the RSD, Delivery Point Manager tutorial. Rural Street Database, RSD, uses the Delivery Point Manager, DPM, to collect the data necessary to calculate the driving, walking and service time on the street portion of rural routes. This data is then used in combination with distances to calculate the standard time allowed for driving the segment. In this video, we will cover all of the key features you need to use this application. How to find your route. To find the route you'd like to edit, first click on the search icon and begin typing the associated zip code. Click the zip code when it appears in the drop-down menu. Next, go to the second drop-down and select your desired route. If you've never opened this route before, you'll need to download it. Otherwise, click Open. You are now ready to begin editing. How to navigate your route. Use the arrows at the top of your screen to navigate through your route sequence. The right arrow toggles forward, and the left arrow toggles back. How to set missing points. Missing points are indicated by a red X next to the corresponding delivery point type in the top middle of your screen. To plot the missing point, simply drag the icon from the top middle of the screen and drop it to the desired location on the map. How to delete address points. To delete a point, click and drag the unwanted point to the trash can icon and drop it there. How to change dismount information. In order to edit dismount information, click the Edit Book List icon from the left panel. Next, select the Dismounts option. From here, you can access and edit dismount information for your route. Any changes you make are automatically saved. Grouping. To access grouping, click the Edit Book List icon from the left panel. Next, go to the first address in your group and select the type of point you'd like to group. From the pop-up window, select the last address in the group you want to create. All addresses in the sequence between your first and last address will now also be selected. Finally, choose whether or not you want to group with mail stops, and voila, your group is created. Groups are indicated by an anchor icon. To ungroup addresses, click the anchor of the group you want to undo, and click the Clear button. Edit Book. In order to access your edit book, click the Edit Book List icon from the left panel. From here, you can group or ungroup points, as well as set the status, usage, type and sequence of addresses. Changes are automatically saved. Fuel stops. To set a fuel stop for your route, click the fuel stop icon from the left panel. Select a fuel stop from the list of options by clicking Add next to the corresponding fuel stop. These can be removed from the visited fuel stops list at any time by clicking Remove. This concludes the RSD Delivery Point Manager tutorial.